So in this video, I just wanted to quickly go over how to spike with Cloudsphere, otherwise known as his forward air. Cloud's forward air has 3 different stages. We will call these the wind up, the active frames, and the sour spot. The active frames is the part that you want in order to spike with this fair. Just to clarify for those of you who are confused, I will show you the differences between the active hitbox or the sweet spot versus the sour spot. When you hit someone with the active frames or the sweet spot, you'll see that Cloud is hitting them with the first frame of the ability, and that the sour spot is when Cloud pulls the sword down further between his legs. Just to help you visualize this a little bit better, here is a frame by frame comparison. Anyways, when we're trying to figure out how Cloudsphere spikes, there are 3 different things that I found that helped it be more consistent. The first thing, which we already mentioned, is that you want to be using the active hitbox frames, meaning the first frame where the ability comes out, you want to be hitting them with that part of the ability. The second thing is that you want your enemy's model to be leveled or under Cloud in order for it to spike. If the enemy is above Cloud, it does not consistently spike. And the third thing you want is that you want your opponent's limbs to be somewhat inside the ability. So the whole character model doesn't need to be inside, but it's usually more consistent if their limb is inside the ability, which is the green part here. So by following these 3 things, you'll find that you're going to be able to consistently spike. And if you watch over your clips, you'll be able to realize, oh, maybe I didn't approach properly, so my opponent was outside the ability, or maybe I hit them with the sour spot. So to just end off this video, I wanted to play a couple of clips of me using Cloudsphere, and I want you guys to try and figure out whether or not the ability will spike based on what we learned. So enjoy.
Hope to catch your next stream. See ya. Alright, see you later, Shocks. I do stream on weekdays from 12 to 5 usually. Some days I do need to end early though. So sometimes I'll end on 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I do need to turn it off. I just haven't been remembering.
Alright, so that's it for this video. Chances are that if you're watching this video as it's being released, that I am streaming on Twitch at twitch.tv/thecheesygamer. Link will be down in the description below. You guys can come and check me out if you want to play some arena games, or if you just want to learn how to get better at games, or need tips about Smash, then I will do my best to try and help you out. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.